Is your Wi-Fi dropping? Computer frozen? Phone acting like it's possessed? Don't panic. Hey there, tech warriors. Welcome to the ultimate guide to fixing common tech problems without spending hours on hold with tech support. I'm here to empower you with simple, evergreen solutions that'll save your sanity and keep your devices running smoothly. Stick with me for the next few minutes and you'll be a tech-fixing pro in no time. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, like, and share this with everyone who's ever cursed their laptop. Hook. Why wait on hold when you can fix it yourself? Let's face it, tech issues are the worst. Your screen freezes during a Netflix binge, your printer refuses to print, or your Wi-Fi decides to take a vacation. But here's the secret. Most tech problems are fixable with a few clever tricks. No expensive repairs, no endless hold music. Ready to take control? Let's dive into the top 5 tech fixes you'll wish you knew sooner. 1. Wi-Fi woes. Reset and reconnect. Nothing screams frustration like a spotty Wi-Fi connection. Before you call your provider, try this. Unplug your router for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This power cycle resets the connection and fixes most glitches. Check your device's Wi-Fi settings. Forget the network and reconnect by entering the password again. Pro tip: move your router to a central, elevated spot. Walls and furniture can block signals. If it's still not working, log into your router's admin page, usually 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, and check for firmware updates. Boom, you're back online, streaming cat videos in no time. Second, frozen computer? Don't smash it. Your computer's frozen, and you're this close to throwing it out the window. Hold off. Here's what to do. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, or Command plus Option plus ES on a Mac, to open the Task Manager, and any unresponsive programs. If that fails, hold the power button for 10 seconds to force a restart. Prevention hack. Keep your software updated and avoid opening 50 tabs at once. Your computer isn't a superhero. Run a quick disk cleanup to free up space, and you'll notice a speed boost. Want to make your tech life even easier? Check the link in the description for digital marketing tools to grow your online wealth. Third, slow smartphone? Speed it up. Is your phone moving slower than a sloth on vacation? Try these fixes. Clear your cache. Go to Settings, greater than Storage, greater than Clear Cache Data, Android, or offload unused apps, iOS. Delete old photos, videos, and apps you haven't touched in months. Game changer. Restart your phone weekly to refresh its system. If it's still sluggish, check for software updates in Settings. A quick update can work wonders. And while you're at it, like this video and share it with your friends to spread the tech love. 4. Printer problems? Get it printing again. Printers are notorious for throwing tantrums. If yours won't print, check the basics. Is it plugged in? Is there paper? Ink? Set it as the default printer in your computer's settings. Quick fix. Run the printer troubleshooter. Search troubleshooter in Windows or Mac's printers and scanners settings. Still stuck? Uninstall and reinstall the printer driver from the manufacturer's website. You'll be printing those concert tickets in no time. 5. Random pop-ups or malware? Stay safe. Seeing weird pop-ups or suspect your device has been hacked? Don't panic. Run a scan with free antivirus software like Windows Defender or Malwarebytes. Avoid shady websites and never click suspicious links. Pro move. Enable a pop-up blocker in your browser settings. Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. For extra protection, clear your browser's cookies and cache regularly. Your device will thank you. Call to action. You're a tech hero now. There you have it, 5 game-changing fixes to conquer common tech problems. No more waiting on hold or shelling out cash for repairs. You've got the power to troubleshoot like a pro. If you loved this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Want to level up your online game? Click the link in the description to grab amazing digital marketing products that'll help you grow wealth online. Until next time, keep your tech running smoothly, and I'll see you in the next video.